Welcome to our channel once again, my friends. Real Nice Guyana, home of traditional Guyanese recipes. Today we're going to be making yet another topping for the popular dal and rice. So dal and rice is so good that there are so many toppings to go with this dish. And today we're going to be doing shrimp choka, which is another topping. And for this we're going to be using the shrimp that is traditionally used for shrimp choka, which is the smaller shrimp, which we call fine shrimp in Guyana, the white belly shrimp. And we have some of that there. We're going to be using some onion, scallion, pepper to taste, and salt. And that's about it for this simple recipe, shrimp choka, and it's so good with dal and rice. So let's get started with this recipe, guys. Alright, my friends, so start with this shrimp choka. We're going to wash our shrimp first. And we're going to wash it with some lime. So as you know, when you're cooking fish and shrimp, you have to wash them thoroughly with some lemon and lime and so on to get the rankness out of it. If you don't, it still tastes after you cook it. So you got to be very thorough with your cleaning. So we're going to add some lime juice to that. So once you've washed your shrimp now with the lime juice or lemon juice, you're going to shake out as much water as you can. Leaving it like this in a strainer for a bit will help. So after you wash your shrimp, my friend, you're going to get your pot you're going to cook in, or karahi in this instance. So we're now going to squeeze the shrimp, the water out that's left in the shrimp. So we're going to remove further what water is in there, so we're gonna put this in here now, and it's gonna release whatever water is left in there and get out more of the rankness from the shrimp. So to this you're gonna add a bit of salt to bring out the juices in there, because you want to get rid of that. So as soon as you throw the salt, you see what's happening there. So once the water has released here, which wouldn't be long, as I showed you, you're going to strain it again. So there you go. So after we remove the water from the shrimp, guys, we've added some oil to our karahi now. So our oil is hot, and we're going to add our shrimp now. So you want to fry this here, and not for very long. Alright, my friends, so our shrimp is finished frying, and you can see it's probably about 2 minutes or so. So we're going to remove this now. Alright, so that's our shrimp, guys. So we're going to start making our choka now. So this is all you're going to be needing for your shrimp choka: onions and scallion, and some pepper to taste, salt, that's it. So we're using half of the biri pepper. You can use how much you want. Pepper to taste. Alright, so we've chopped our scallions, onions, and pepper. So we're going to place that in our little plate now. We got that ready. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you the traditional old way to make this shrimp choka and the modern way. So this here is what you call a sill, and this is the lower half. right? So the block is called the sill, and this grinding piece here is called the lower. So this is what is traditionally used in Indian recipes to grind stuff like shrimp and spices and so on. So this is what traditionally used to make the shrimp choka. So we're going to make some of this and show you, and then we're going to use the other way, make it the other way and show you also. So you're going to put a little bit of your shrimp there, not too much at one time. And that's how the sill and lower works. And then you go back to what you've ground already and give it the next grinding as fine as you want. So you can see the texture of the shrimp there now. So this now is ready. This texture is okay for our shrimp choka. So this portion is done. So we're gonna start grinding another portion. So now we're gonna do some in this mortar and pestle, which is a more modern way of doing this. And grinding this shrimp is not limited to these two methods alone. You have a lot of blenders and cut choppers, and you know, your Ninja and whatever can do this job as well. So do whatever is convenient to you and what you have. So there's no excuse for not making this. There's so many ways you can grind your shrimp. Yeah, as I was telling you guys, I can remember when I was a kid, our mom would buy a whole basin of shrimp. We used to get shrimp for like $1 basin or 50 cents for them big. The biggest basin sometimes does have shrimp sale. Your biggest basin you got $1 or 50 cents back in those days. And then you sit down and you start clean shrimp for like an hour or 2 hours. You're cleaning shrimp till your foot catch cramp. And it's bare laugh story then. People come in and touch your foot once, you know you get cramp. So look there now. So you see, this is the texture we did with a mortar and pestle, and that's with a sill and lower. So same results. So you can use either of these, and as I said, your Ninja and whatever else you may have. So we're gonna grind out the shrimp, and then we're gonna continue. So here is our grounded shrimp. This is all of it. And we have our seasonings now. So you're gonna add your salt to taste. And then just add your seasoning, that's it. Mix this up. So there you go. You can imagine the dal and rice to go with this already, right? And you're already drooling all those onions and scallions with that shrimp. Nice white belly shrimp. So that's how you make Guyanese shrimp choka, my friends. Very easy, isn't it? So here is our finished shrimp choka, my friends. Another dynamite topping for your dal and rice, the popular dal and rice. So remember, if you like this video, my friends, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please click the bell icon so you get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.